How to delete Snapchat account. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Then tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then once you tap on it, all you have to do is tap on the settings gear icon available at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and tap on the delete account option available there, and Snapchat will redirect you to the accounts portal. Log in if asked. Confirm your username and password again, then tap continue. Your account will first be deactivated for 30 days. During this time, your friends can't contact or interact with you. After 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.